Today I will explain how our referral program works here at S.K.I.L Dojo. Step 1. An active student invites a friend or family member to train, youth or adult. No experience required. Simply invite someone who is ready for structured martial arts training. Step 2. Your invited guest receives 2 free weeks of training, karate or Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, or train both. Age appropriate, safe, structured. Step 3. Both students earn a reward, a 15-minute semi-private lesson. They may train together or individually. Step 4. After the new invited friend becomes a full member of S.K.I.L Dojo, as appreciation to our active student, will receive a $100 credit reward. This credit reward can be used towards selectable S.K.I.L Dojo apparel, more private lessons, or even to their next membership payment. Invite your friends and families today. Train, grow, and earn together. You are awesome. S.K.I.L Dojo.